Welcome to Cranberry Farm. This is a great place to find a designer tree, and as a matter of fact, in Cranberry Farm, we've got two, and we're going to talk about both of them. This is the first one. It's the largest tree. One thing you're going to notice right away is this has a lot of different garlands and draping materials. And so we have the red and cream garland here that is a fabric garland. This is something that is very popular, but could you see the cranberry garland? The cranberry garland is very popular. We've taken something that used to be popular for years and years and years with the little wooden beads, and we have something that's kind of got a little bit fresher look, a little bit fresher colors, and that cranberry garland right now is very, very hot. The other thing that you're going to notice on this tree is we have a lot of disc ornaments, and some of our disc ornaments aren't even circular, they're actually rectangles. And so this is one right here, Winter Wishes, trimmed in black. You know you're in Cranberry Farm where you got that urban farmhouse appeal. We've got a little bit of black in there, but we're mostly focusing on the reds and the creams this year. And then as we move across this tree, there's a couple of things I wanted to point out. The disc ornaments with the red barn, the red truck with the little tree inside of it. We also have another glass barn ornament that's popular. As we put these together, what we're seeing customers do is pick a whole bunch of different ornaments off this tree and purchase them. So they're not buying heavy volume, but they are making sure that they buy lots of different SKUs in this entire collection. As we move over, I want to point out something that one of the designers did, and I just happened to pick up on this. They happen to have a snowflake, and it's a wooden snowflake with some white accents, a little bit of glitter on it, hanging from the edge of the tree with an accent stem. And then I realized just down here, we took a snowflake, and it's also a wooden snowflake, a red one, but this one isn't hanging from the tree. Instead, we have this one sitting upright, and I thought that was a great way to showcase that ornament. So sometimes when we're putting them together back in our store, we don't stop to think every ornament doesn't have to hang. You can actually place them on the stems, and you can place them on the branches and have them sitting upright. That's a great little tip. We're going to go ahead and move around the tree because there's some characters over here that I want you to make sure that you see. The first one is our sitting up goose. And the goose, of course, belongs on the farm. And he has these little flocked boots. Aren't these cute? And when you touch them, they're flocked and soft to the touch, just like your winter snow boots would be. And he's sitting right in front of one of the best-selling large, oversized wooden accents that we have. And it's on this designer tree, and that's this star. And so that's a reclaimed wood, large wooden star. And it just kind of makes a backdrop there. Now, how many times when you're working on your tree do you feel like, I need to have something in the background, I'm not sure what I'm going to fill that up with? You're going to use a larger snowflake or a larger star, just like the designers did here. One more thing before we leave this tree, we need to talk about the red berry bundles. Bundles are very popular because you can take them apart and use them individually in stems and vases and jars, but you can also cluster them just like they did above this wooden star and put them directly into your tree.